Hello everyone! In today's video, we will learn how to blur video in Capcut PC. Whether you want to hide sensitive information or make your video extra cool, blurring can be a powerful editing tool. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily blur any video clip in Capcut PC. So, let's get started. First, let's open Capcut PC and create a new project. Here we are in the Capcut video editor. Once the Capcut video editor opens, import a video from your computer device. After the selected file is imported into the media section, drag and drop the video file into the timeline. This is where you'll edit your video clip. From the right side, zoom in on the timeline for a closer look. Now it looks perfect. Right-click on the video clip in the timeline and select Copy and paste it on a separate track. Click on the Effects tab at the top of the screen. This will open a panel with various effects. Scroll down the effects list. There might be different blur options available. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Select the blur effect. Drag and drop the blur effect onto the video track you want to blur. In the right-hand panel, you'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the intensity of the blur effect. As you can see, this is how you can blur video in Capcut. If you want to blur a specific area within your video frame, click on the Video tab at the top of the screen, and then select the Mask option. A variety of mask shapes will appear. Select the shape that best covers the area you want to blur. Adjust its position and size to cover the desired area. Once the mask is positioned correctly, click on the play button in the preview window to see how your blurred video looks. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.